this is Captain Brett Young at MarineMax, Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Today we're going to walk through the NauticStar 195 bay boat. As we stand here at the back of the NauticStar 195 bay, you'll notice that this one does come with a 3-step swim platform. And it also comes with a Yamaha SHO VMAX 115 high output engine. So this will give you more torque for taking off. And this boat comes equipped with a fishing chair up front, several boxes here for storage. These are both insulated. Then we've got the box in the middle that also has a drain on it. Then we have a live well in the front to keep all of your bait nice and fresh. As we walk around, we got rod holders on the side, on both sides of the helm. And as we get to the helm, this one comes equipped with an infinity stereo. You will need to add your own GPS fish finder, but it comes equipped with a trolling motor hookup for the front, so that would be easily added also. And finally, as we're at the back of the boat, you'll notice that we have 2 flip-up seats, port and starboard. Then we have an additional live well here in the back. This one comes with a leaning post and an igloo cooler to keep your drinks nice and cold. If you flip these seats down while you're fishing, that gives you a large platform to fish off the back of the boat. If you'd like to sea trawl this boat, give me a call at 850-420-1802 and we'll take it out for a ride. Thanks.